Every year, billions of dollars are stolen from seniors. This isn't just a statistic. It represents countless lives disrupted, savings decimated, and futures jeopardized. Seniors are disproportionately targeted by financial predators, making them uniquely vulnerable to deceptive practices. The financial landscape for older adults is fraught with peril. From sophisticated online schemes to aggressive in-person sales tactics, the threats are constant and evolving. Understanding these dangers is the first step toward true financial security. Navigating the world of senior life insurance can feel like walking through a minefield. Misleading information is rampant, and the sheer volume of options can be overwhelming. It's difficult to discern what's legitimate from what's designed to exploit. Many feel pressured by aggressive agents, confused by overly complex offers, or worse, taken advantage of by those they trusted. This vulnerability is precisely what scammers exploit, preying on trust and a desire for security. You deserve clarity, not confusion. This is why we're here. We will provide you with a definitive checklist to spot the most common scams. More importantly, we will lay out a clear, actionable path to finding the absolute best life insurance for your needs, ensuring your protection and peace of mind. The predatory tactics used against seniors are varied, but some patterns emerge consistently in the life insurance sector. Understanding these common scams is your first line of defense. These aren't just isolated incidents. They are widespread, calculated deceptions. One pervasive scheme is the free lunch scam. This often begins with an invitation to a complimentary meal or seminar, seemingly a harmless social event. However, the true purpose is to trap attendees in a high-pressure sales environment. Once you're there, the focus shifts from education to aggressive sales pitches for unneeded or unsuitable policies. The free lunch quickly becomes a costly mistake, leaving seniors with policies that don't serve their best interests. Be wary of any offer that seems too generous, especially when tied to a financial product presentation. Another insidious tactic is the vanishing premium trick. Agents employing this scam promise that after a few years, your life insurance premiums will magically disappear. They suggest that policy dividends or cash value growth will eventually cover the cost, making the policy free. The harsh reality is that premiums rarely, if ever, truly vanish. This promise relies on optimistic, often unrealistic, projections of market performance or dividend rates. When these projections fail to materialize, seniors are left with escalating premiums they can no longer afford, forcing them to lapse valuable coverage. This deception can lead to significant financial strain and loss. Perhaps one of the most damaging scams is churning. This occurs when an agent convinces a client to repeatedly switch from one life insurance policy to another. They might claim the new policy offers better benefits, lower costs, or improved features. However, the primary motivation is rarely the client's welfare. Each time a policy is replaced, the agent earns a new commission. This constant switching often results in the client losing accumulated cash value, incurring new surrender charges, and restarting the period during which the policy builds value. The agent profits handsomely, while the client is left with diminished coverage and depleted savings. It's a cycle designed to enrich the agent at the client's direct expense. The impact of these scams extends far beyond mere financial loss. They steal seniors' hard-earned money, eroding their financial security and independence. Victims are often left with inadequate coverage, or worse, no coverage at all, precisely when they need it most. These deceptive practices undermine trust and leave a lasting emotional toll. Protecting yourself and your loved ones requires vigilance. There are clear warning signs that indicate you might be dealing with a scam or an unethical agent. Recognizing these red flags is crucial for safeguarding your financial future. Pay close attention to these indicators. Red flag number 1. High-pressure sales tactics. If an agent insists you sign immediately, refuses to give you time to review documents, or pressures you into making a quick decision, walk away. Legitimate financial decisions require careful consideration, not coercion. Any agent who tells you this is a limited time offer that expires in hours, or that you'll miss out if you don't act now, is not acting in your best interest. Your financial security is too important to be rushed. If you feel pressured, it's a clear signal to disengage. Red flag number 2. Unrealistic promises. If an offer sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Be deeply skeptical of claims of guaranteed high returns with no risk, or policies that promise to pay for themselves in an impossibly short time. Life insurance is a long-term financial product, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Any agent promising extraordinary benefits that defy common sense is likely trying to deceive you. Always question claims that seem to defy the laws of finance. Red flag number 3. Unlicensed agents. Before discussing any financial product, always verify the agent's credentials. Ask for their license number and check it with your state's Department of Insurance or equivalent regulatory body. Dealing with an unlicensed individual puts you at immense risk. They are not accountable to regulatory bodies, and you have little recourse if something goes wrong. An unlicensed agent is a direct threat to your financial safety. Red flag number 4. Complex jargon and incomprehensible terms. If the policy language is deliberately convoluted, filled with obscure terms, or if the agent struggles to explain it clearly, do not sign. You must fully comprehend what you are agreeing to. A reputable agent will take the time to explain every detail in plain language. If you don't understand the terms, you cannot give informed consent. Never sign a document you don't fully comprehend. It's a recipe for future regret and financial loss. Now that you understand the threats, let's empower you with a proactive strategy. Finding the best senior life insurance isn't about luck. It's about following a systematic approach. This checklist will guide you through the process, ensuring you make informed decisions. Step 1. Determine your actual needs. Before looking at any policy, assess precisely how much coverage you require. Consider your outstanding debts, funeral expenses, income replacement for a surviving spouse, and any legacy you wish to leave. Avoid being oversold. Many agents will try to sell you more coverage than you truly need, simply to increase their commission. A clear understanding of your financial obligations will prevent this. Calculate your needs precisely. Step 2. Shop around. Never settle for the first offer you receive, no matter how appealing it seems. The life insurance market is competitive, with a wide range of products and pricing structures. A single offer limits your options and bargaining power. Take your time to explore different providers and policy types. This due diligence is essential for securing the most favorable terms. Rushing this step can cost you significantly in the long run. Step 3. Compare quotes from multiple insurance companies. Once you have a clear idea of your needs, obtain quotes from at least 3 to 5 different reputable insurers. This allows for a direct comparison of premiums, benefits, and policy features. Ensure you are comparing similar policies with identical coverage amounts and terms. A side-by-side comparison will quickly highlight the best value and most suitable options. Don't just look at the premium, consider the overall value. Step 4. Read the fine print thoroughly. This cannot be stressed enough. The policy's terms and conditions contain critical details about coverage limitations, exclusions, waiting periods, and how claims are processed. Do not skim this section. If you find any clause confusing or concerning, ask for clarification. Consider having a trusted family member, caregiver, or independent financial advisor review the document with you. Understanding the fine print protects you from future surprises. Step 5. Ask questions, lots of them. If anything is unclear, confusing, or raises even the slightest doubt, ask for clarification. A good agent will welcome your questions and provide clear, concise answers. Don't be afraid to challenge assumptions. Inquire about surrender charges, policy fees, dividend history, and the company's financial strength ratings. Your questions are your best tool for gaining clarity and ensuring you fully understand the commitment you are making. Never sign until every question is answered to your satisfaction. This checklist is more than just a guide. It's your shield against scams and your key to unlocking the best life insurance policy. By following these steps, you empower yourself to make informed decisions, protect your assets, and secure your legacy. You are now equipped to navigate this complex landscape with confidence. The journey to complete financial protection doesn't end here. In our next video, we will delve deeper into the different types of life insurance available for seniors. We'll explore the nuances of whole life, universal life, and term life policies, helping you determine which type is truly right for your unique circumstances. We'll also share advanced strategies for negotiating the best rates, ensuring you get maximum value for your investment. This next installment will provide even more specific tools to optimize your coverage and savings. Your financial future deserves this continued attention. Don't miss out on this vital information. Watch our next video to continue building your knowledge and fortifying your financial defenses. For immediate access to more resources and to begin your journey toward ultimate protection, click the link provided. Take control of your financial destiny today.